Semiconductors power everything. Our smartphones, laptops, cars, and even satellites. And guess what? India imports nearly 100% of its semiconductors. But what if I told you that now is the perfect time to start a semiconductor manufacturing business in India? If you're an entrepreneur, tech enthusiast, or investor, we're diving deep into how you can be a part of India's semiconductor revolution. In this video, I'll show you how to tap into this trillion-dollar industry, how to start a semiconductor manufacturing business in India. But here's the shocking part. India, the tech capital of the world, doesn't make its own chips. Not even one. What if you could be one of the first to change that? What if you could build the factories, the designs, the future, right here in India? With billions in government funding, massive demand, and global companies shifting away from China, India is the next big semiconductor destination. In this video, you will learn market opportunity business models to enter the industry, best locations in India for setup funding and government incentives, technology and talent requirements target, customers and market strategy. Stick around with us as Market Research Universe, MRU, will explain it all for you. This video is part of MRU Navigator for Business Planning. MRU Navigator for Business Planning is a go-to-market platform designed for startup business planning, real-time market trends, forecasts, competitor insights, business niche identification, and opportunity tracking. Through this platform, you'll get free business plan templates across various sectors, real-time market trend tracking, market size and potential analysis, and insights into trending business niches and opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account today. The global semiconductor industry is thriving, powering everything from AI and EVs to 5G and IoT. But here's the real headline. India's semiconductor market is projected to grow at over 15% CAGR, reaching a staggering $105 billion by 2030. Yet today, we import nearly all our chips, a gap that presents a massive opportunity for Indian entrepreneurs and manufacturers. With the government offering billions in subsidies and global players looking to diversify supply chains, now is the perfect time to build your own semiconductor venture in India. There are three primary ways to enter India's semiconductor sector, each with its own scale and investment level. Full fabrication units, fabs, are highly advanced but demand massive investments, over 25,000 crore rupees. ATMP units, assembly, testing, marking, and packaging, are mid-scale, requiring 800 to 2,500 crore rupees, and are perfect for manufacturing-focused players. Fabless design is the most startup-friendly. You design the chips, outsource the manufacturing, and focus on innovation. Our pick for new entrants? Start with Fabless or ATMP. They're scalable, cost-effective, and strongly supported under India's semiconductor policy. When it comes to semiconductor manufacturing, location isn't just important, it's everything. The Indian government has designated special semiconductor hubs in Gujarat, Dholera, Karnataka, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh, Noida, offering the perfect mix of infrastructure and incentives. To set up, you'll need ultra-clean room environments, uninterrupted industrial power, high-grade water supply, and excellent port logistics access. Here's the good news. These states offer massive subsidies on land, electricity, and utilities, making the right location choice a smart way to save crores before you even begin. Concerned about the high costs of setting up? Well, here's the game changer for you. The India Semiconductor Mission offers incredible funding and incentives to support new ventures. For fabs and ATMPs, you can receive up to 50% capital subsidy, drastically reducing your initial investment. And for fabless startups, there are design-linked incentives to help cover research and development and initial design costs. On top of that, research and development and training support is available, helping you build a skilled workforce and stay at the cutting edge of technology. What's more, India allows 100% foreign direct investment, so you can attract foreign investors, plus funding from venture capitalists, banks, and strategic partners to fuel your growth. Pro tip: apply early for PLI schemes and state-level incentives. The first movers in this space enjoy the biggest rewards. Your team and technology will be the heart of your semiconductor business. To succeed, you'll need the best talent and the latest tools in the industry. First, hire chip design engineers skilled in cutting-edge technologies. These experts will turn your ideas into innovative products. You'll also need EDA, or electronic design automation, software like Cadence and Synopsys to design, simulate, and optimize your chips before production. Don't forget cleanroom technicians, trained to maintain ultra-clean environments essential for chip manufacturing. Forming strategic partnerships with global tech giants like TSMC or collaborating with academic institutions like IITs will give you access to the latest advancements and a continuous talent pipeline. The good news? India has a huge talent pool. With the right focus on upskilling and training, you can build a world-class team right here. Now, let's talk about your customers. You'll want to target the giants of the industry. Start by connecting with smartphone and laptop OEMs. They're among the largest consumers of semiconductors worldwide. Next, tap into the growing electric vehicle market, where the demand for advanced chips is skyrocketing. Don't overlook government and defense contracts, which offer long-term, high-value partnerships for secure and specialized chips. And, as you scale, keep an eye on export markets across Asia, Europe, and Africa. The global demand for semiconductors is expanding rapidly. As you build strong B2B relationships, consider evolving your business model. Start with packaging, then move toward chip design, and eventually full manufacturing to unlock new revenue streams. Thinking about starting your semiconductor business in India? MRU is here to make your journey smoother and more successful. Here's how we can help you every step of the way. MRU provides strategic advisory, location and infrastructure support, talent acquisition and training, technology and partnerships, government scheme navigation, customer and sales strategy. Partner with MRU, and we'll help you transform your semiconductor business into a global success. Ready to start your journey? Let's make it happen together.
Every great success story begins with a vision. But what if you had a roadmap to turn that vision into reality? Introducing MRU Navigator for Business Planning, your go-to-market platform for startup business planning, real-time startup market trends, forecasts, competitors, opportunity, and business niche tracking. Imagine this. You're standing at the starting line of your business journey. What if you already knew where the hurdles were? What if you had a strategy before you even took your first step? That's exactly what MRU Navigator for Business Planning does. It gives you a clear, data-driven roadmap to navigate the startup world with confidence. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, MRU Navigator gives you the power of foresight with business plan reports and templates, ready to use, professionally designed to fast-track your startup journey, real-time market trends, dashboard, stay ahead of industry shifts and make informed decisions, competitor and opportunity analysis, identify gaps, analyze competition, and uncover hidden opportunities, business niche tracking, spot emerging trends before they explode into the mainstream. Your success isn't a matter of chance, it's a matter of the right plan. Let MRU Navigator for Business Planning be the launchpad to your entrepreneurial dream. Your startup's journey begins with the right plan. Start with MRU Navigator for Business Planning for real-time market trends, opportunities, and business niche tracking. So what are you waiting for? Sign up your free account today.